Quadzilla power. Here's a quick unboxing. So it looks like this is for the second gen. I'm putting it on a 2000 Cummins. Here are the directions, just in case you lost yours. And looks like it comes with a sticker. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go put it on the vehicle. Alright, you want to locate where your map sensor is at. This is something that you do at your own risk. This is a pretty stock truck. I don't have any tunes or anything. I'm just trying to see if it will increase my boost and see if there's any type of benefits. So it's more of a test. So you look right there on the passenger side, just behind the fuel filter towards the cab. See how it's unplugged? It's very simple. It's just plug and play. So make sure you have the right connections. You get it for the right year. It's pretty simple. And if you have another tuner or something else attached, make sure you attach this as close to the sensor as possible. All right, as you guys can see, attached to the block, to the map sensor, and then attached to the other end of the wire that I pulled out of the map sensor. Pretty simple. Tuck away, zip tie it, and you're good to test it. Alright, my review on the boost filler. I just see the install. I should have showed you the driving part. I didn't notice a increase in my boost. Now, granted, I don't have a load, and the truck is stock, pretty much. I have the wastegate blocked off, and I didn't catch it on video, but I did notice about 1 PSI higher on the boost. I do think that the truck was shifting a lot better, so it didn't tack out like it did previous time. So maybe if I got up to a higher RPM, which I don't want to be that high, I might have seen more of a boost. If you have a stock truck and you're towing, I can see this benefiting you. But for me, I mean, I do some towing, but not that often. I'm looking for more performance off the line. So unfortunately, I think I'm going to be returning it. The build quality on it, I think is pretty good. If you're going to keep it, I think it's going to last. I think the company is probably good. What little of I have done business with them, I haven't contacted them, so I don't know what about their customer service. As far as what I see on the internet, reviews, they look pretty good. I'm looking at getting a tuner, which I think I might go with the same company, but we'll see how that looks down the line. Let me know your thoughts on it, if you guys have any experience with the boost filler. If you have a bigger turbo, or if you're getting any type of overboost code, I think this product would definitely be good for you. So obviously I'm not sponsored. I did think it was a good product. I think it was worth buying and testing. Unfortunately, it's not going to work out for me. So hopefully you get some information about it. If you can recommend a good tune, or if you have used this product before, maybe I did something wrong or I didn't test it out long enough. I just did that one drive. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.